Welcome everyone. Today, we'll be diving into some exciting research that focuses on the use of AI-driven hydroponic grow tents. This study has a lot to offer, especially in terms of how technology can help small-scale farmers improve crop growth, minimize labor, and address the challenges posed by climate change. Whether you're interested in agriculture, artificial intelligence, or both, there's something fascinating here for you. Let's start with some background. The primary goal of this study was to investigate how AI and IoT technologies could be applied to hydroponic farming, a soil-less cultivation method. Hydroponics has long been praised for its efficient use of water and space, but it's also prone to challenges like pest infestations and fluctuating weather conditions, which can be tough to manage, especially for small-scale farmers in rural areas. Now, what makes this study really interesting is the way it incorporates AI to automate certain aspects of the farming process. The researchers chose to deploy these AI-enabled grow tents in KwaZulu-Natal, South Africa, where community farmers rely on agriculture to sustain themselves and their communities. Now let's talk about how this study was conducted. 2 AI-driven grow tents were deployed in rural areas of KwaZulu-Natal. These grow tents had sensors that measured critical factors like temperature, humidity, water levels, and nutrient concentration in real time. The AI system was programmed to react based on the readings from these sensors, adjusting elements like water supply or fan speed to create an optimal growing environment. This method of automated control was designed to help the farmers better manage the health of their crops. Communication between the researchers and farmers was also crucial. They primarily used face-to-face meetings and WhatsApp messages to monitor the grow tents and troubleshoot issues. The farmers would share photos or videos when something went wrong, helping the researchers guide them through solutions remotely. Another recommendation from the farmers was to include translations in isiZulu in the app interface, making the technology even more accessible. So, what did the study find? First and foremost, the AI-driven grow tents were successful in accelerating crop growth. Plants grew faster and more efficiently, with fewer resources like water being used. The researchers noted a significant reduction in manual labor for the farmers, especially the older participants who found it much easier to manage their crops with the automated system in place. Another interesting point from the study is the potential of integrating weather forecasting systems into the grow tents. If the AI could plan for upcoming heat waves or cold spells, it could automatically adjust the environment in the tents, turning fans on or off, or slowing down the watering process to avoid plant stress. Moreover, the researchers are looking at using convolutional neural networks, or CNNs, to help with pest detection in future versions of the tents. This would add another layer of automation, identifying issues in real time and giving farmers a heads up before their crops are compromised. To wrap it all up, this study has shown both the promise and the limitations of using AI in agriculture. While it's clear that AI-driven grow tents can make farming easier and more efficient, there are still many hurdles to overcome, particularly in terms of cost, reliability, and environmental challenges. However, the potential is huge, especially when it comes to supporting small-scale farmers in rural communities. By working together with the farmers, the researchers were able to make real progress toward a system that could one day revolutionize sustainable agriculture. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this topic interesting, be sure to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, stay curious.